Hey y'all, welcome back to my video Spend a Day with Nay. So today we are going to be cleaning out my car. But before we clean out the car, it is time to get something to drink. So let's go get something to drink really quick. Alright y'all, so we finally made it outside and we're gonna go ahead and start off with the trunk. So we're gonna go ahead and take everything out of the trunk first and then we will go from there. Okay, so we got everything out the trunk, except for the dirt. It's dirty, but the car wash is closed, so we won't be able to clean it out tonight, but we'll do it tomorrow. So now we're gonna go ahead. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the inside of the car. So let's go. Okay, now that we've got that done, we're gonna go ahead and clean the seats. And this stuff right here, Quick Leather, is really good for the seats and for the dashboard and everything with it. So let's go ahead and start. First, we're gonna start with the cup holder and move our way on through. Okay, so now we're cleaning the last door, and y'all, these doors look shiny. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean the seats. Let's see how good we can get this. right, y'all. So these seats are so shiny. So look at everything. Everything is shiny and glistening except for the floor. Please don't worry about the floor. We're going to get that vacuum tomorrow. But let's draw eyes to the nice shiny seats. Look at that back seat looking brand new. Okay, it's kind of dark so you can barely see, but it looks really, really good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and move on. So as you all can see, now that we got the inside done, now we gotta get this outside, get this stuff sorted out because yes, it needs to be sorted out. So on one side, we're gonna have trash. On one side, we're gonna have stuff that needs to go back in the car. On the other side, it's the stuff that needs to go in the house. So let's get to work. Now that we got everything in those sections, now we're gonna go ahead and gather up all the trash and put it inside this box and then take this whole box to our garbage can. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the stuff that needs to go back in the car inside the car, and then everything goes, we're gonna put inside of that black bag and then take it inside the house. All right, y'all, so we are almost done, but it is literally dark outside. You can't see the grass. Okay, so this stuff right here, we're going to put inside of a black bag and take inside the house. And this stuff right here, we're going to go ahead and put it neatly back inside the trunk. And then after we're going to do that, we're going to go ahead and take these cases of water that is inside of this igloo and drag it up the ramp and then take it inside of the house because, yeah, we're not putting it back in the car. Y'all think I'm about to drink all this water? No, we're going to have it for show. Now, okay, so we're going to go ahead and put all this water inside of my refrigerator for me and Aviana to drink. It might take a while for us to drink. I do not like water. But we're going to start the video right here because it is literally dark outside. Y'all, please make sure you like and subscribe this video. Thank you.